Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about makeup that I'm not buying anymore, or at least I would like to not purchase anymore. So in here we have some specific categories and items that I would like not to purchase anymore. I filmed a video similar to this one last year and I will link it down below. I feel like all those items are still standing, maybe except single eyeshadows, because this year I enjoyed single eyeshadows a bit more. So let's start with the list. First I have gripping or sticky primers. In here I'm mentioning something like the e.l.f. gripping primer or the Milk, I don't know how that one is called, but the green ones. I'm not buying those. Those look not that great on my skin, and I learned that I do like glowy primers. This is my favorite one, the Essence Hello Good Stuff, or pore filling primers. This one was the discovery of the year. I do like pore filling primers. I'm wearing this one today and it's great. This is the Benefit the Porefessional Lite. Love it. So these are the two primers categories that I like. The next one is a big category. So of course this video is not like a no buy. I'm not forcing myself to not buy in this category, but it's just what I'm feeling right now. The next one is foundation. In general, I was very disappointed with foundations because I preferred my NYX concealer. That one was just my trusty product, but now I found one that I love, and it is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. This one with the porefessional, incredible combo. Why would I risk and test any other foundation when I know that I've been testing a pretty good amount of foundations and none of them was like my favorite foundation? I didn't repurchase too many foundations in my life, so I just want this one. So what I'm gonna do is try my best to use up the ones that I already have, because I do have some foundations right now. I have only 4. All of them are pretty decent. This one is my foundation of choice. This is my favorite one. So that's the reason I'm putting foundation on this list. I don't want to test any other. I just want to enjoy this one. So that is what I'm feeling right now. And even with concealer, I feel that a bit, but I didn't want to put 2 base categories in here because that's a bit much. But my Natasha Denona concealer is my favorite one. Right now, nothing is even close to that one. I did repurchase it, which is a big step because that one is very expensive. Next I have matte blushes. I don't like matte blushes. It is that simple. I like a glowy cheek, so why would I purchase something matte? Let me show you though what matte blushes I have, and I really like them actually. But I have this trio from NYX, and these matte blushes are just nice. Would I wear these matte blushes and nothing as a highlighter on top just to make everything seem very glowy? No. So I do like this trio only because this middle shade is perfect to just blend with the other two. That's the only reason. Next I have highlighters. I don't want to purchase any highlighter because right now I don't wear highlighter daily, and I have way too many highlighters considering that I'm not wearing highlighter that often, and that highlighter is practically, I'm just gonna say it, practically impossible to finish in a decent time. I'm not purchasing highlighter in the near future, that is at least 1 year. So that is my plan. Next I have brow products. So in here I'm mentioning like products that I don't want to test anymore. In this category I don't care. I should not care because sometimes I'm just should I purchase this pencil? It looks nice. Should I purchase this brow gel? Maybe it's better than my... Yeah, I need to stop that, because I do like some products, but again, nothing beats my Too Faced brow gel. It is what it is. I did repurchase that a million times. I have a backup. There is just a waste of money to test something else. And similar to that, I have my affordable NYX pencil for the brows that I really like. I will of course buy it again, and the brow gel, I will repurchase it. But yeah, I hope they didn't change the formula though, because with the NYX pencil I know that they did something to the formula. I'm a bit scared. I hope it is as nice as it was before. Next, I have liquid eyeliners or colorful eyeliners. So in here I'm mentioning like a black liquid liner, the Physicians Formula one, great eyeliner. I do recommend it, but I'm not doing wings, like never. I think I used that one maybe 4 times this entire year. So why would I have one? It is just a waste. I could create a wing with an eyeshadow very easily, or with a black or any color, like a crayon or a stick or a shadow, or I have so many options. And here I'm mentioning colorful eyeliners as well. As you can see, I have blue eyeliner on my waterline, but that is only because I have it already. Would I purchase another one in the future? No. Blue is not even my favorite color. I do like it today as an accent on the waterline, but do I need a blue eyeliner? No. So in the future I'm not gonna purchase crazy colors of eyeliners, because I know I don't need them, I'm not using them. Maybe a green, maybe a brown, maybe a burgundy, sure. Nothing else too crazy, like a light green or a yellow or something. I'm not gonna use that, I already know. Another one that is just with colorful things in general, I've been liking neutrals, it is what it is, and I have in here colorful eyeshadows. Again, today I felt like I need a color, something, but this is the most colorful look that I would wear. And I've been, first of all, I'm not wearing eyeshadow too often, that is the first thing. And the second thing is that I'm not doing looks like this too often, so there is no point in me purchasing colorful eyeshadows. Let me show you very, very quickly what kind of eyeshadows I purchased this year. Could you believe that I purchased something like this? I cannot believe, like, Veronica from 3 years ago would slap me, literally, because I purchased this kind of expensive shadow with these colors. Don't get me wrong, this quad, stunning, I really like it. It is the best formula out there, for sure not. And I'm not recommending you this one. It's just, sure, if you want the experience with the luxury packaging and everything, okay, this is a nice formula. Is it better than Natasha Denona? No. Is it better than the next palette I'm gonna show you? No. So yeah, it is expensive. I was just too curious, and it was my birthday gift for myself, so it is what it is. But this is the favorite from this year. And again, look at the color story. Do you see any color in there? Because I don't see it. I've been liking neutrals. It is what it is. This is the ABH Spice palette. The ABH formula is always nice. I do really like it. And this palette, it's cute. It is small, it is nice. And here I want to mention as well as a category, so colorful eyeshadows, I'm not buying anymore, and big palettes as well. I bought very tiny palettes this year. Look at this one, it is just a 9 pan. Big palette, I'm not buying that anymore. It's just, I don't need that many shades. I have more eyeshadows that I could ever need. So, and I have colorful shadows, by the way. If I want to do something like this, I can easily create a rainbow look. Is not something too hard to do because I have enough shadows. So there is no point in me buying a colorful eyeshadows. And here as well, I want to mention mascara. If we are talking eyeshadows, I have two Essence mascaras that are just my favorites, similar to brow products. There is no need for me to buy any other mascara. And I said that a million times, and I need to be better in 2025. I'm gonna maybe start a no-buy in 2025. I have no idea. I want to see maybe how many months can I stay without purchasing anything. That could be a challenge. But I have an idea for a video. I want to have, of course, a project pen, but I want to have another video series. I'm still thinking about it and working on the idea. And lastly, I have bold lipsticks. Yeah, like I said, I'm into neutrals, so I don't want to wear bold lipsticks. I have two in my collection, and I'm gonna show you the two bold ones that I have. The rest of them are glosses. I have some brown glosses, sure, but they are still neutral ones in my opinion. These two are the boldest colors that I own, and they are lovely. I have here the NYX Smooth Whip in the shade Memory Foam. It is a cool tone brown. Somehow this color is so unique, so beautiful. This formula is comfortable and nice. I really recommend it. And I have a red lipstick. This is the Nabla in the shade Heatwave Clay. It is a very stunning shade of red. It is like a terracotta red, but except this, there is no point in me having bold lipsticks. I'm not wearing them. I don't like them. I like neutral lips, and yeah, I prefer something bold on the eyes. If that is the case, a smoky eye, I could do that. I could use lashes and stuff like that. Sure, I still like that, but bold lips, not for me. I just like juicy brown lips. If that is an option, I will always pick that one. So this was everything. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.